Hey guys, what's up? Jimmy here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop the rattling on your soundbar on your Jeep. This is a brand new 2022 Jeep Gladiator and it's been making like these rattling sounds whenever there's like a high bass on a song or something. So let me show you. So you can hear that obvious rattling. And the way that I figured I could fix this is basically I got like this sponge and I just cut it in three. So all that you need to do is you are going to tuck this between the soundbar and the roof. So there we go. You can keep them out of sight. Also, we're going to need one for the middle in here. You can tuck it in there. And then the third one goes on the passenger side. So you just put it in there. That's it. You can try hiding them better than I am at this point. But anyway, so let's play this again. And as you can tell, the sound is now gone. So this was a pretty quick fix for me. I hope this works for you. And yep, that's about it. See ya.